In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi is not working on your Windows PC. Don't worry, this is a common issue and I'll show you how to fix it easily. First, search Services and open it. Now scroll down and find WLAN AutoConfig. Click on it, then set the startup type to automatic. After that, click Apply and restart your system. Again, scroll down and find WLAN AutoConfig. Click on it, then set the startup type to automatic. After that, click Apply and click Restart. Next, search Control Panel. Go to Network and Sharing Center and click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your Wi-Fi, click Disable, wait a few seconds, then enable it again. After that, search Device Manager. Now follow the video steps. Finally, search Run, type MSConfig, and hit OK. Select Normal Startup, click Apply, then go to Services, Disable All, and Enable All and Apply. After that, restart your PC. That's it! Your Wi-Fi icon should be back and working properly. Thanks for watching. If it helped you, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more.